Hey, how's it going? So, as you can tell, I've already done my Savvy makeup, and I know that you were wondering how to get your own kit to get started with this amazing makeup. So, a little bit about me. Not a makeup person, never really have been. I prefer a more natural look, and I guess I always had such bad reactions to makeup, and my skin always broke out. And then I just had to keep wearing makeup to cover up all the blemishes, and then once I switched to natural products, my skin actually became amazing and I didn't really need to wear makeup. And I hadn't really found makeup that agreed with my skin. I tried a couple other mineral makeups that were a disaster, and that's because they're full of crap. So if your makeup contains things like bismuth, talc, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, pretty much any of that, petroleum, get rid of it. Stop using it. It's not good for you. It's not good for your skin. It's not good for your health. So I'm really excited that Young Living finally released a line of vegan-friendly makeup. And this is what the kit looks like. It's in this beautiful box. I just can't get rid of the box because I think it's so pretty. So this is the liner. And you guys, the best part of this, I mean, there's a lot of best parts, but my favorite part is this whole kit costs $150. It's like a steal. So I had gone to Sephora before getting this, before it was released, and I can tell you I spent a lot more than $150 on makeup that I'm not wearing anymore because it did not agree with my skin. I've sold natural makeup that could not have been natural. So you get this beautiful black box, and there is the lovely pink tab that you lift up, and then ta-da, there is a bunch of information in here that I'll show you in a minute, but I want you to see how pretty this is. So this is actually the dark 1 kit. I'm a cool 2, so I use all the colors from cool 2 on my skin, but I wanted the dark 1 for classes, and I've seen a lot of people using the dark makeup for contouring and like going more glam makeup, so I was really intrigued by that. So in your kit, you're going to get a foundation that matches your skin, a foundation brush, which is beautiful. It's like Italian and so soft. The makeup holds in it so nicely. You're going to get that. You're going to get the misting spray, which is kind of the key to the makeup. It really holds everything in place, and you can play with building your makeup if you want more of like a defined look versus a natural look. The spray is awesome. It's infused with essential oils. It smells great. You are also going to get a blush. So for the dark kit, it's Passionate, which I could probably use this as a bronzer like in the summer time. So that's another fun thing, is to have a bunch of these colors that you can play with. And then you actually get the Maven lip gloss, which was one of the reasons I wanted this kit. Most of the makeup is pretty natural, but sometimes if I do add some glam or a pop of color, I like to do it through lips. So this is like right up my alley. I currently have On a Whim lipstick with Abundance lip gloss over it, but I'm going to try the Maven on for you in a minute. So that's your first layer, but then you see another pink tab, which means lift me up. Now on the backs of these, it's awesome because you can prop these up and stand them up if you want to for classes or in your bathroom, whatever your thing is, but these stand up, or this does anyway. So your second layer, you get a bottle of lavender because, hello, lavender is good for everything skin. Lavender is my go-to for everything skin. Plus it smells amazing and it's calming. So when I have to put makeup on, why wouldn't I want to smell lavender? Because I get stressed out. Okay, so 3 eyeshadows. Best Kept Secret, which is a matte, pretty neutral matte. Then you get Residual, which is a shimmery, like lighter color. Really pretty with this kit because the next one is Determined, which is a really dark. So you have all of the bases for the Best Kept Secret to apply over your whole lid, the Residual for your just your eyelid, and then of course the Determined for your creases. And you can even use that Determined as an eyeliner. Use your spray. So there's all kinds of tips and tricks with the makeup. You can let me know if you want more information on that. We do have a Facebook group for our members that is full of information. So remember I told you got some books and papers in your kit. The kit comes with a Savvy Minerals book, which is very helpful. It teaches you about contouring, the different blushes, the brush sets and the lip glosses, how to do your eyes, the eyeshadows. So it's a really great little reference book to help you get started and show you what else there is out there. So this comes with it. And then there's this awesome little book that are new, Discover Your Young Living Lifestyle, because let's be honest, Young Living isn't just essential oils. We're a total health and wellness company. We have men's products, baby products, essential oils, food products, beauty products, cleaning products, animal products, like all of the products. So this book is awesome. It'll talk a little bit about the farms, our principles, all the products. We have just some different things. It'll talk about the thieves and the ningxia, the mineral makeup, our supplements, just like all the different things we have. So it's kind of just like a nice little intro into all things Young Living. If you do get this makeup starter kit, I totally would recommend adding a product guide to your order. They're like $3.50, but it really gives you like a wealth of knowledge, all the products that Young Living has. So like I said, that makeup kit comes with everything you need except mascara, and I have a good hunch that Young Living is going to be releasing mascara this year at convention, so I'm super excited for that to happen. For now, finish your look with whatever organic mascara you're using, but keep your eye out for the Savvy mascara. And if you're part of my Young Living family, know that I will let you know when the mascara gets released. So anyway, I have Cool 2 on, the kit from Cool 2. Oh yeah, we were going to look at the Maven lip gloss. This is another addition that I would get for the makeup kit, are the Seedlings baby wipes. They're awesome makeup removers. Love them. So I'm just going to take off the lip stuff that I have on, which was On a Whim lipstick and Abundance lip gloss. And then dry my lips off a little bit. So there is nothing on, and now we're going to play with this Maven because I've been super excited to see. This is totally what I would wear like on a night out. Yeah, so it's really pretty. I like that color a lot, even for my skin tone. So there you have it. There is the Savvy Mineral Kit. If you want more information, you know where to find me. Add me as a friend on Facebook. Keep checking out the YouTube videos, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.